Hello crochet friends! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a double crochet. So a double crochet is basically just an even bigger stitch than a single crochet or a half double crochet. So you're going to go ahead and grab your yarn and your hook and let's go ahead and get started. So with a double crochet, you already have your hook here with one loop. You're going to wrap your hook once, just like the half double crochet. Insert your hook into the next stitch here, wrap it around once and pull it through that little hole there, so you have 3 loops just like a half double crochet, except for this one you're going to go ahead and pull this yarn here through 2 loops only, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and grab even more yarn and pull it through the last 2, and that is your double crochet. So to do it again, you're going to grab your hook, wrap it around once, insert it through this next stitch here. You're going to grab some of this yarn, pull it through that hole there. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to grab some more yarn and pull it only through those 2 loops first, and then grab even more yarn and pull it through the last 2. And that is your double crochet.